Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today in this tutorial, I will be showing you the way of watching saved password in Google Chrome easily. So first of all, I'm going to Google Chrome and then three dots at the right top corner and then settings. And now just simply typing passwords. And when password appears, simply go to the password icon and click there. And there you will be able to find the websites you use and input password and have set. So there are some websites, as you can see, some blurred options, and those are the website in which I have saved the password in Google Chrome. Now I'm just willing to watch the password of this website. So what I need to do, I'm just going to simply click on show password on the icon. Okay, now it's asking me to input the password which I use at the time of opening my PC. So just do yours. I'm going to type my one. Okay, and now as you can see, it is now shown, and now I can watch all the passwords I have saved in Google Chrome one by one. And as you can see, all the passwords are there which is saved in Google Chrome browser. And this is a simple way of doing so, and I think you have known the way of watching the password in Google Chrome easily. And if you have really found the video useful, then please don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video, and inform your experience about this video on the comment box. See you in the next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.